Hello everyone, let us talk about Section A, Chapter 2, Constitution. Constitution is the assembly of term for all of us. If we read newspaper and watch television channel, we will come across the particular word called Constitution. So today let's see what is a Constitution. The Constitution, the word derived from the Latin word constituere, which means to establish. And it is the fundamental law of a state. It includes the rules and regulations for the working of a state. So here there is a connection, law, rules and regulations. So we can say that it is a basic guideline for the working of a state. That is how it determines the structure and functions of a state. For its administrative and governmental activities, there will be depending completely on the constitutions or the set of rules and regulations. It may be written or unwritten. Written means most of its particular principles and regulations will be written in format, and unwritten means most of its regulations and rules will be are getting from traditions, customs and conventions. Some examples are American Constitution 1789, the same year in which the French Revolution occurred. Then Constitution of Japan 1947, India got independence in the same year. Then Constitution of India 1950, January 26, 1950, India became Republic. So the Republic Day of India is connected with the Constitution of India. The meaning and definition. According to Machiavelli, he mentioned that law which govern the state and which represent the will beyond that of the state. So here also it comes law and governing of the state. So government and law is very important, and it comes the definition of constitution. According to A.B. Dicey, all rules which directly or indirectly affect the distributions or the exercise of sovereign power in the state. So everything is dealing with the rules and regulations and the laws for the effective functioning of a government. So in simple terms, we call it a set of rules and regulations for the effective functioning of a state. Then second topic, mention the features of a constitution. The following are the features of the constitution. It must be definite and clear. It should not be vague and ambiguous, because a whole country or whole nation is depending upon this particular document for its administrative setup. So it is clear and definite. There should not be any confusion in process. Then it should be comprehensive enough to cover all the informations related to governance, because we have only one particular document for the entire administrative and governmental machineries. So it should cover all the information related to governance. It should contain provisions for amendment, change or adaptation. So the question is, what is amendment? Amendment means at times goes to there will be lots of change happening in our social, economic and political life. So based on those changes, there should be change in our rules and regulations also. So in order to do that, there should be an option in our constitution for changes. An adaptation, that option of change and adaptation is called document. So for a proper constitution, there should be scope of amendment. Then third topic, discuss briefly the kinds of a constitution. There are 6 kinds of constitution. These are as follows: written constitution, unwritten constitution, rigid constitution, flexible constitution, evolved constitution, enacted constitution. A written constitution is one in which the main body of fundamental rules have been laid down in written form. All the provisions of the constitutions are embodied in a document, such as in India and the USA. Second is unwritten constitution is one in which is neither written in the form of a book nor drafted by any constituent assembly. It is a product of slow and gradual evolution. These are mostly based on traditions, customs, conventions, such as the Constitution of UK. Rigid constitution is one which cannot be amended easily. For its amendment, the legislature has to pass a proposal by a specific 2/3 majority, such as the Constitution of the USA. Flexible constitution is one which can be amended easily. The constitutional law can be amended as the ordinary law of the land. Evolved constitution is one which is not made at any time by anyone, but it is result of slow and gradual process of evolution. Enacted constitution is a man-made constitution and written in the form of a book.